Make your world green.
Make your world green. A greener environment, that's what we want to achieve. Nature Art sells decorations with moss to make the environment greener.
I think everybody knows how it feels. You want to buy some new decorations, but you only can buy the standard decorations like a painting for your wall or other kind of decorations.
Here at Nature Art, we are making some special decorations of moss, but you can also design your own decorations, like logos for your company, your own name, or a design of an animal. Our standard designs are the words hope, dream, love, hope and faith.
We are not only making some wall decorations, but we are also producing decorations for the holidays. So even those days you can also make your world greener with the products of Nature Art, a little Christmas tree for during the holidays or some decorations for Easter.
Now you might be thinking, are those products for outer purpose only? No, also buy those products as inside decoration.
Because we have our productions cost as low as possible, we can sell the products at an affordable price. All our products are handmade.
You can dry out the moss or water it every day. No matter what, the products are still beautiful. The word love on your wall, the name or logo of your company, designed by you, or a present for your new neighbor. For any different company, a creative designer, young or old, gardeners, or just for those that want something new and special in the living room, Nature Art is producing the products that you want to buy.
So make your living room or garden attractive, joyful and greener with the products of Nature Art.